Hello everybody, hello everyone, hello. You guys are welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, Miss Portable. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for subscribing. If today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, I love you. Please. Before you go, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. As for my old subscriber, I love you all. I got you guys, I love you. Thank you all for subscribing. Please don't unsubscribe. And please, always come back to watch my video. Love you all. Today we have a sweet topic in the house. Sweet aproko story. It's called aproko. I'm going to give you guys an aproko story. So stay tuned and listen to the story. But before we go into the story, let's take a break. Welcome back, everybody. A brother needs help. A brother needs our advice. Like, you guys advise. Anybody can advise him. Because it was my girlfriend in Nigeria that called me today. She called me to explain what happened to them, what her elder sister did. So the whole story was so funny to me that I did not understand. So I have to call the guy here. So the guy explained that he traveled from Nigeria to Europe 5 years ago. I believe that was 2015. Yeah, 5 years ago he came to Europe. So before he left Nigeria, he was in a relationship whereby he has been the one supporting the girl. So quite unfortunately, the boy told the girl that he wants to come to Europe. He wants to travel down to Europe. So the guy did and come to this Europe. Then after all said and done, the girl called the boy that he wants to go to school, that he wants to further her education. The boy said no problem, that he will sponsor the fee, like he will sponsor her to the university, like he will do whatever she chooses to do. He will do it for her to graduate. Then he will go back for her and get married to her. But unknowingly to the guy, that the girl was in love with the elder brother of this guy. So the guy did not know what was really going on in Nigeria. He did not know what was happening there in Nigeria. The guy kept doing his thing. All his mind is that he would travel back to Nigeria and get married to the girl called Osato. So quite unfortunately, he never knew that the girl Osato did not even love him, that he's just playing with him because of one or two things that she's benefiting from him, that she is in love with his elder brother. So after graduation, she changed. That he said he will call the girl will say, I'll call you back, I'm busy. He will call the girl will say, baby, hold on, I'm busy, I'll call you back. So she will not call back. The guy will try and call, she will not call back. And sometimes she will pick and say, okay, I was busy when you called. I just graduated and I'm searching for a job now, but just attended to one or two. You are not in Nigeria now. You don't know how Nigeria things goes now. And this, this. That was the excuse the girl was giving to him. Yeah. So last month, so according to her, to the guy, he said last month he called the girl that he wants to talk to her in video call, that it's been long he spoke with her on video, that he wants to talk to her on video call. So the girl said, okay, I'm just kind of busy, I haven't taken my bath, let me take my bath, and when I finish taking my bath I will call you so that we can talk on video call. Not knowing that the girl was in his elder brother's house. So he quickly leave his elder brother's house to their house. Then when he got to their house, according to the guy, he said the girl called and said, I just finished taking my bath. Here I am now. Okay, let's talk. That he spoke it. He said he even told the girl that the way your body is looking, that he does no longer understand the. So according to the guy, he said the reason why he asked that he does not, as in he no longer understand the body language of the girl. Sorry, was because the girl was spitting. So that's why he asked her that he does no longer understand the body language of the girl, that the girl was just spitting. And the girl quickly replied that he's spitting because he's having a cough and catarrh. That's why he's spitting, that he will try and take drugs. So he now said, okay, true, when you are done with this call, go to chemist and get drugs for yourself, so that you stop spitting those cough and catarrh. So the girl now said, okay, no problem. That he never knew that the girl is pregnant. That was last month. He said a few days ago, he called the girl did not speak. So the next thing he saw on his phone was like, do you know that I never really love you? When he saw that message, he was like, what sort of message is this? Like, is this a prank? You know, most girls normally do prank on their man, on their boyfriend. That he just took that as a prank, that the girl wants to prank him. So the girl, after all said and done, the girl wrote another message. Did you get my message? Why did you not reply? So he now have to call the girl. So when he called the girl, what's the meaning of that message you wrote to me? And the girl just said she was just joking. The girl now said, okay, no problem. Stop joking with that kind of message. It's too expensive. So think few days ago, yesterday, yes. According to the guy, he said yesterday his elder brother went to the girl's family to make his intention known to them that he wants to get married to their daughter. It was like they were like, he wants to get married to their daughter, or your younger brother wants to get married to their daughter. And the guy then said, no, me, the elder brother wants to get married to their daughter. So before they now called this guy in Europe to explain things to him, this guy is really confused and he don't know what to do. He does not really know what to do. He's confused. Either to kill himself or to go back to Nigeria to kill his brother. And then the guy is confused. The guy really need our advice. He need us to talk to him. Like 1 or 2 advice is okay for him. You understand? So you are very free. You guys are free to leave your advice on the comment section. Please don't ignore this video. Pardon the way I did it. Just leave your advice for him. He will be glad to read your comments on the comment section. He will be glad to read it. Please leave your comments, leave your advice for him. Is it my girlfriend, which is younger? The girl younger sister is my friend, and this guy also is also my friend. They also subscribe to this YouTube channel, so they will be glad to see the comments on the comment section. Please comment, leave your advice, and thumbs up. Press the thumbs up, like the video. Thank you all for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.